Hey my royals, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, thank you so much for joining me. My name is Jasmine, aka Curlygaisha, and welcome to my world where we learn together, we grow together, we share stories, we communicate, we connect, all of that good stuff. So this is the season, my season for wash and go. When it's warm outside, I do wash and goes. I may, depending where I'm going, how I feel, I may do like a twist out. I just did a Bantu knot out. Like 2 weeks ago. I'll link that video up above so you can see that video, how it turns out. But my main go-to style when it's warm, spring, summertime, is my wash and goes. In this video is going to be two products that I'm using. It's going to be the AsIAm Long and Luxe line that I'm using, and we're featuring an oldie, the Eco Styler Argan Oil Gel. I've been using the black castor and flaxseed oil gel, but that doesn't have that much hold. It says 10 on the jar, but it doesn't really have that much hold. And I know with this AsIAm Long and Luxe line, it makes my hair really soft, and I need a gel that's going to have a little bit of hold to it. And this was my go-to gel, my favorite gel before the black seed and castor oil gel came out, but I know I need more hold, so that's why I went to get this argan oil one. We're going back to it. So yes, so I used the Long and Luxe AsIAm line like last month or so. I have a video on that with my twist style. I'm gonna link it up above or down below in the description box if you want to see that. But my hair loves it. It's for type 3 and 4 hair types. My hair loves it. It's amazing. It's moisturizing. It smells good. It makes my hair feel silky and soft. It's amazing. So now I'm going to use the Long and Luxe leave-in conditioner with the gel. That's the only two products that I'm using in this video. That's my thing. When I do wash and goes in the warmer months, I only use two products, a leave-in and a gel. So I'm going to see how this turns out. I'm going to see how it feels. I'm going to see if the leave-in can perform on its own. So yes, let's get right into the video. So what I'm using is my water bottle with my aloe vera gel. Again, I have low porosity hair, and if you're new, that's the type of hair texture that I have, low porosity. That means it's hard for water to penetrate the hair. So let's say you wash your hair, and when you get from under the sink or out of the shower, you have water bubbles. You have water sitting on top of your hair. It's like little bubbles. That's how you know you have low porosity hair. That's how I knew I had low porosity hair. So I need extra help with applying my product. So that's why I make sure my hair is wet before I apply anything on my hair. And I add aloe vera juice because that helps. That gives me extra moisture. For low porosity hair, once the moisture is in, you don't have to apply. For me, I don't have to apply any moisture throughout the week. I just put my oil mixture on my scalp, and maybe I put it on my strands in my hair depending, but I don't have to do that. So yes. This stuff smells good. This is their pomegranate. So this is the AsIAm pomegranate and passion fruit line. This is their newest line that they have. It's amazing. They have a co-wash, they have a leave-in, they have a hair serum, they have a curl smoothie, and I think that's about it. I wish honestly that they had a hair mask, but AsIAm never have a hair mask. I wish they just make a hair mask. I wish they just did that. But if you're listening, make a hair mask. But yes, that's what I'm gonna use. After I take the white cap out of it, so I'm gonna apply the leave-in. My oil mixture. little routine. I'm gonna let it air dry and I'm gonna come back on camera and show you the final results. Hey my royals, so thank you so much for joining me in this video. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. Thank you so much for just supporting me. Thank you so much for watching my videos, commenting, liking, all that good stuff. And if you're new, you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you comment down below. What's your favorite products for your wash and goes? Do you even like wash and goes? When do you do wash and goes? Do you use gel? You don't use gel? Like, what do you use? What's the products that you use for your wash and goes? And maybe I'll try it out with my hair. So yes, this is a 6-day-old wash and go. The weather has been terrible the past week. It's been rainy and cloudy and muggy and humid, so yeah, my hair is huge, but volume is good. I like volume. I like my hair when it gets bigger. I'll get like another, probably depending on how today goes, I get like another extra day out of it, and then I'll do like a style until I'm ready to wash my hair. And I won't wash my hair till the end of the week, so I'll do a style for my hair. So yes, this is it. I love the products together. It was no flake and my hair felt defined. My hair was defined. My hair lasted. My hair was soft. So they're the only products that I use. There's 2 products for my wash and go. These products together is a go. So my first video that I did was the low porosity shea moisture line, just to leave it in my black castor and flaxseed eco styler gel. And this is the second one I did, the AsIAm Long and Luxe line. The next leave-in I'm going to do, I'm not sure yet, but I'm going to figure that out. But thank you so much for joining me in this video. I really appreciate all the support. I really appreciate you watching my videos, commenting, liking, us getting to know each other. And yes, and until next time, until my next video, make sure you go after your dreams. Make sure you fight for whatever you want. Stay motivated. And don't ever get discouraged. Just keep going, keep pushing yourself, and everything will work itself out. The universe will line everything in order. And until next time, my royals, be great.